Hey guys, we just made it to the tire place to get our rims installed. So right now I'm gonna unlock it and excuse the mess that's in here. There's the tires. Alright you guys, I'm going to open it. Around you guys. On this side. Alright. You guys, I have taken the tire off, and I wanted to show you the big difference here when I came to with this tire. This is the old tire, this is the new tire, and as you can see, that's a big difference on how wide it is. And now we're gonna try it on there, see how it looks. Alright you guys, this is what the Charger looks like with the new rim on this side. I'll show you the overall view once I get some front tires in. They come in tomorrow. But I want to show you guys what this beast looks like from behind. I don't know if you can see it, but that tire is massive compared to the stock one. But it makes a big difference with those tires. Big rear stance, but I could have gone a bigger tire, but I don't think I really want to do that. I mean wider anyway, because that's how much it sticks out. Alright you guys, I will install the other side, and probably tomorrow, probably give it a wash. It's been in hibernation for a couple months now. So old and the new, got it. Definitely like that. Different look. I think I want to paint the calipers, make them look nice. Alrighty you guys, I will do the other side. Alright you guys, so got the Charger here, and I brought it into the sun so you guys can see how it looks. Now that it has some rims, this is what it looks like. I think I'm the first Charger from 09 that actually has these replica human wheels on YouTube, I believe. I think it looks really nice. So I finally cleaned the Charger a little bit. Not planning to go full out on cleaning just yet. this virus stops, then I'll go take it to the car wash and clean it thoroughly. So I'm gonna give you some advice when you buy tires. Don't buy 2 at a time. Buy all 8. Buy all 4 at a time, because you will probably run into an issue like I did. I went and bought 2, thinking I can order the front ones, but turns out that they don't make the ones from the back to the front, so the front and back are different. Thank God that not all 4 of them are different tires. That'd just be terrible. But that's one of the advice I would give you. And why the fuck did you put a smaller tire on a big rim? Well, first off, in my opinion, the tire looks better. You know, we got the Volvo here. The tire's flush. See? This is fucking boring. Fucking boring. I get tires like that all the time. You know, I'm kind of looking for a new look. This car is not a fucking dragster. It's just, you know, my show car. Doesn't need to do a 1/4 mile in the most fastest way possible. So I think people should just, hey, let people put whatever tire they want to put on, you know, and it gives it a lot of it gives it a different stance. See, and kind of, as you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but clearance issue would be this, okay? And this rim will hit here. Imagine if the tire was right here, it'd probably bang on this all day long, and really I don't think that's a good idea, because heck, it's a pain in the ass to fix this, unless you got a truck and it's a little easier. But yeah, this kind of prevents it and goes over here instead of, you know, banging on right there, you know, right here. And I think it's a great fitment. Doesn't you know, gives me a little more leg room when it comes to like bumps and all that sort of good stuff. And right here, and for this, the clearance on this one, it's barely on there, you know, the width of my finger fatness, I mean, yeah, that's how much rim is behind here. But besides that, it doesn't rub at all. But honestly, this is a good tire size for this Charger without having to do any rubbing. Honestly, I would go a little bigger sidewall on this if you want. It gives it a meter more meat in there. I think that would be fine, but going wider, I don't think that's a good idea, unless you want to cut your fender a little bit to make it fit, which I don't want to do. Because then I have to have wheel spacers when I get different wheels. It would look ghetto with freaking you know, those fender flares that are, you know, 3-inch or 2-inch wide. It just looks weird. But if you guys are interested, these are the sizes, and I will put them in the description below. That way you guys can see the actual measurements for the tire. And I hope this was helpful for some of you. This charter has been a great project. I still have some more things I want to do to it. Alrighty guys, so I'll let you guys go.